So this little dum-dum built a second PC. Ended up being a little bit more ghetto than I was expecting. And the only way to actually turn the PC on is like this. So, long story short. The reason why I gotta do that is because the connector to the power switch is broken. And whoever has ever built PCs can probably presume that, yeah, that's probably the first thing Jimbo thought of when the PC didn't turn off when he pressed the power switch. I ended up doing a paperclip test to verify that my power source was working. It was working. Normally, I figured that then the motherboard must be broken. I even ordered another motherboard. This is the old motherboard. And when I got the new motherboard, I plugged in the power and I saw the LEDs light up on the motherboard. When I plugged in the power source, I knew instantly that everything's working fine now. And then I pushed the power button. Nothing happened. So, then I start thinking, what the hell could there be wrong if the power unit is fine, the motherboard is fine, and theoretically it should power on even though it wouldn't have anything else connected to it. It should not post, but it should power on. So I figured to try jump-starting it. And it worked! Wish I figured that out sooner. Fuck my life.